Hello everyone, welcome back to Opportunity Hunt. So in this today's video, I will share you one of the best opportunity which is coming from the Amazon, that is HackOn 2025. So if you are studying in the BTech, MTech, integrated dual degree or MCA and you are getting graduated in the year of 2026 or 2027, this video is for you. So you watch this video till then, and also I will cover you in this video the details of what HackOn with the Amazon is all about, and who can join, and how you should form the team as well, and what are the competition rounds that are there, how many are there, and each round what is going to happen, that are all going to discuss in this video, and the prizes that you will be winning and how to register also. Plus there is a bonus thing I just want to tell you that which will be helping you out so in this hackathon as well. So I will share you at the middle or at the end of the video, so you watch this video till the end. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So where will I get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, and a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. So now let's start the video. So first let's talk what is HackOn with Amazon. So Amazon, as we all know, it is putting the customers first, and from always they're inventing new products and services as well. So this hackathon with Amazon, it is a virtual hackathon where it is going to conducted in the online only. So where you can submit your technology ideas. So you will be working on the real customer problems, and based on the problems you will create the solutions and present the to the Amazon tech leaders. So it's a chance to think big, and you will innovate those things, and which will help them to define in the company. Okay, so basically you will be working on the problem statements of the customers, and you will be creating the effective solutions over there. So with that effective solutions, and you will be presenting that to the Amazon leaders, tech leaders, so that they will be evaluating your solution, how much the effective it is. And next, now let's talk about what is eligibility criteria and also team formation, how you need to form the team. We will discuss now. So as I told that you should be graduated in the year of 2026 or 2027, and the degree you must be pursuing in the BTech, MTech, or integrated dual degree or MCA, and the branches that are of computer science, information technology, electrical, electronics, or related fields of the computers as well. And you must have the minimum CGPA overall in your graduation, that is of 6.5 or higher throughout your degree as well. And the team size here you need to form, that is of 2 to 4 members only. Okay, and there are the team rules that you must keep in mind while you are forming the team, and also while you are participating in this competition. So as we all know that there is only the chance to form the team of 2 to 4 members only. Okay, and the team members can be from the different colleges and different years or in different courses, and each person must be only one team. Okay, no more should be there in another team, he should only be in the one team only, and each member must meet the eligibility rules individually. Okay, and here the main thing, that is this competition is not for all the overall India. Okay, so this is only for the students who are studying in this eligible list. So here you can see here, these are the eligible list of the institutes where this Amazon is going to conduct their hackathon. So make sure before you are registering for this hackathon, you must be seeing that your institute is there in this eligible list or not. You can just search your college name or any institute wherever you are studying, just search it over here. If your institute is visible, then you are good to go with this hackathon. If not, you can just leave it away. Okay, now let's talk about how many competition rounds that we have, and in each round what they are going to check and what you must be do. Okay, so in the round 1, that is a coding round, we can check. So in this, the each team members takes the coding test alone, and you have the 100 minutes to solve the problem, and you must be passed individually to move on, so that individually they should have to do their own problems. So, and a leaderboard will be shown up the top teams, whoever they have been done better. Okay, and the round 2, that is we have of idea submission. So basically in this idea submission, the shortlisted teams, that is from the assessment round where the coding has been done, they will be coming to the next round. Okay, and this assessment round is going to conduct from the May 29th. Okay, May 29th at 12, and at that same day only it is going to end at 9 p.m. Okay, make sure you do not miss this dates. So make a note and just add it to your Google Calendar. Now the shortlisted teams from the assessment to the idea submission Once they're shortlisted, the teams that they have been chosen to do, that is themes, and as well as downloads the brief and the templates. Basically, you need to have to download the problem statements and all those things. You need to work on the problem statements, and you need to prepare the solution for the problem statements and in the form of like PPT or a PDF document, and you must explain your solution very clearly and creatively. So basically, you need to be solve the solution in such a way manner it should be very productive and it should be very effective solution, so that you can claritily explain, and it should have to solve the 100% of that problem. And the round 3, that is a prototype submission. So these are in this also the shortlisted teams from the idea submission, they will be going to the further round, that is of prototype submission. So here the teams will be building a working prototype for their idea. Like you will be presenting and discussing your prototypes online with Amazon tech leaders. Overall, as I told, that this whole hackathon is going to happen in the online format. And the round 4, that is of last, we have mentorship round. So basically in this mentorship round, you will get the mentorships. The shortlisted team, like our top 8 teams, will be paid with the dedicated mentors, where it will help you to let them to prepare more effectively for the grand finale. So before that grand finale, you will be getting mentorships from the Amazon tech leaders, okay, and they will be mentoring the programs in the like providing the strategy guidance, and they will refine your ideas and enhancing the presentation skills. Like whatever you have been prepared the solutions, basically they will be reviewing them, and they will give you some of the guidance, some of the strategies, so that you will be showing the strategies in the grand finale, okay. And the top teams that they'll be joining the mentorship programs also, as I told before, and you will present to the jury from the AWS, Alexa, Amazon Pay, and more. So the final event is held in the virtual only, and the winners will get announced, okay. So this grand finale is going to held in the July 2nd, and at that same day only it is going to end at July 25 4 p.m. okay. So make sure you know this all dates in the calendar. And at last, if you get shortlisted and you get win, what the prize money that you are going to get, okay, that's the main thing. So the winners that they are going to get, that is of 1 lakh plus a day at the Amazon, like they can experience the Amazon, okay. The first runner up will be getting of 75,000, and the second runner up will be getting of 50,000, and the top 8 finalist teams that they are going to get the like mentorship sessions and official Amazon swags, they are going to get it. Imagine like getting the cash, real Amazon office experience, and cool branded items. It's insane, I can say, okay. Now how to register for this? It is very simple. The link in the description box, so when you click on that link, you will get redirected to this page, and just you can simply press on register button, you can register for this thing, okay. Basically it is very simple. If you have the Unstop account, you can just log into your account and then you can register. If you do not have an account, you should create your account. And while registering for this hackathon, they might ask some of the details, like basic details. They are like CGPA and the team form information, what the team you are going to like going to form, and like these are some of the basic details that they will be going to ask in this thing. And make sure you submit this all and form the team, register for this hackathon before it's too late. So late entries may not be better. Once you see this video, then immediately you do register, and because how much fast you are going to register, that much you are going to be better. As you can see here, it is only 10 days left to register for this. Make sure you register for this thing. Some of the bonus things I want to tell you, that is you can build a balanced team. First thing, make sure you build the team in a such a way manner, there should be a very better in the coding and very better in the AI tools and problem statements understanding, should be like a mixed strong coders with a good presentation as well. And second, like you should have to practice the coding. If you do the practice of the coding, you will get to understand how the problem, what is the problem, and how you need to solve the problem, what is the strategy that I need to make in order to solve the problem. So these all things you will get to learn once you are starting the solving of the problems. So where you can do this like coding, like you can practice the coding, there are much more platforms you can use, like hacker like lead code and hacker rank. We have a lot more platforms where you can practice over there, okay. And you should have to learn about the Amazon services and the customer needs. Basically this hackathon is only all about that thing, right? So what the customers are facing the problem, you need to build understand the problem statements, and you have to build the solutions according to the problem statements of the customers. So make sure you have to know everything about the Amazon services and what the customer needs to as well. So plan your prototype. So basic in this, you need to keep very simple, very clear and user friendly, so it will be very better. Okay, and you have to polish your pitch, how you're pitching to the jury of that Amazon tech leaders. It is a very mandatory thing. Like you need to be very expressively explain your idea and it should be very clear. Okay, and you should have to tell them in a such a way that what exactly the problem statement is and what exactly the solution is and how that solution is solving that problem. It should be very simple and very effective. In such a way you need to have to tell. So main thing at last, you have to manage your time. It is very thing in all rounds they have some of the deadlines or some of the time limit we have, so that you have to manage the time management should be the better skill where I can tell. Okay, so that's all about HackOn with Amazon 2025 season 5 we can say. So if you are in the tech and loving the solving the problems, this is the chance you should not miss out. So if you have any questions, tell me in the comments and I will reply you and I will help you out. So if you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with your friends in the engineering and CS background. And also subscribe to Opportunity On for more such type of updates. And I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity.